we are live in my messy kitchen again. And ako ng crispy chicken with a Korean style but in a Filipino twist. Okay? How is that? So you just watch out. Hi guys, it's me again, Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY, and today we are live in my messy kitchen again. And today we are doing, I'm cooking for lunch. So I'm running out for lunch because I only have about 20 minutes to do this. So what I'm going to have for lunch, gagawa po ako ng crispy chicken with a Korean style but in a Filipino twist. Okay? How is that? So you just watch out. Ganito po ang pagluluto ng crispy chicken na Korean style but Filipino twist. Yan. Itong sangkap na aking gagamitin para po mamaya. Ito po yung aking chicken strips. Hiniwa ko na po siya. So this is like the chicken strips. Ayan. Ito po yung aking mga gagamitin. So ayan po yung aking sibuyas, ang aking ginger, and then yung ating bawang. And then, all my, yung aking cornstarch, aking plain flour, everything is here. So, looks like everything is all set. So, welcome to my kitchen, and stay tuned and come on, join me as I prepare the crispy chicken, Korean style, in a Filipino twist. Okay, so, habang nagmamarinate ako, so ito po yung aking chicken. Ang gagawin ko, nag-heat po ako ng aking pan, put on oil. And then, I'll just marinate my chicken. So I just put my spices first. So half of this one, half ng aking bawang. Okay. And then I will put on my ginger, everything. Yan, kasi konti lang po yung aking ginger. And then half po ng aking sibuyas. Okay. And then I just put on about half a teaspoon of my ground pepper. Alright. And then I just put on just half a teaspoon of my salt. Yes, like that. Okay. And then I just put on just 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Like this. 1/4 cup of plain flour or all-purpose flour. All-purpose flour. Yan. Just to mix it like that. Para ma-cover po lahat. Yan. Okay, looks okay. So we just slowly fry our chicken, our chicken strips. right? Just leave it cook like that. flip it again to make sure that everything is cooked. It will take you about 10 to 15 minutes to make it crispy. At ako po ay normally nagdo-double frying po ako. Bakit? Kasi siguraduhin ko po na crispy at saka luto po yung loob ng ating chicken. So after this, may pangalawang frying po ako. So, but I just need to, kailangan ko lang siyang haunin. Tatanggalin ko siya dito sa mantika. Tapos, babalik ko din siya. That would be shorter na. About less than 3 minutes. So, just to make sure lang na luto yung aking chicken. Alright, and then i-adjust ko lang yung aking apoy ng medium. Alright. Okay, and then ibalik ko lang din siya ulit. Itong ating mga na-fry na bawang at saka sibuyas, huwag mo nyo pong itapon yan kasi gagamitin po yan natin sa ating sauce. Okay? Yan na po ang ating crispy chicken. Gagawa na lang ako ng sauce. You just let it drain a bit. Alright. And then gagawa na po ako ng aking adobo sauce. So yung Filipino twist. Okay? Lalagay po ako ng aking oil. Just a little bit of oil. Okay. Start natin ilagay yung ating bawang. And then I'll put on my sibuyas. Okay, mag-add lang po ako ng soy sauce, yung toyo po natin. It's about 2 tablespoons. I just add on also the vinegar. Vinegar will be about just a tablespoon. Yan. Oyster sauce, just a bit of oyster sauce to thicken, saka to add flavoring sa inyong sauce. 2 tablespoons na sugar. Yan. Yan na po natin siyang maluto. Mag-add lang tayo ng ating laurel. Okay? Okay? Ito po ang ating sauce. So, tatanggalin lang natin yung ating pamintang dahon. Yan. Alright. Then we just switch it off. And then, lagay lang natin ang ating chicken. And then we just mix it. Right. And then, lalagyan ko po siya ng sesame seeds. Just like that, we have our crispy chicken. Right. Look at that. Wow. Okay. And then I just prepare for lunch and then ready ko na po yung aming table. Alright, thank you for watching. Crispy chicken. Yan. In Korean style with Filipino twist. And sobrang crispy niya. Ayan. Ayan. Sobrang sarap. Sobrang crispy. Tamang-tama lang yung alat, yung tamis. Tamang-tama. Swabing-swabe. Filipino, but Korean style. Come on! Crispy chicken in Korean style with a Filipino twist. Sarap! Kain mo tayo. Dami kong kanin, no? Lunch tayo, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hi, this is Chris, your Kuya PANDISOY. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you get something and learn something from this video guide. Okay? Sana may natutunan kayo. I will be sharing more Korean dishes in the next coming days. And I will be sharing also Thai dishes probably next week. So yeah, please watch out for it. And then if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to be able to be notified for the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope to see you again next time in the next video. Bye! Love ya! At kahit nasaan ka man ngayon, please keep safe, okay? And then always wear your sweetest smile to bring more positivity in life. And always believe na unique ka dahil the best in the world ka. Bye!